Hey friends, welcome back to Doggy Disguises. We are going to go ahead and draw a little Chihuahua doggy dressed as a shark. A baby shark if you want. I know the song is all in our heads, so I'm not going to go ahead and sing it. I will spare you that entertainment. But let's go ahead and get started. Grab your favorite art supplies and let's do it. Okay, let's go ahead and do it right now. We're gonna do it quick and easy. Let's go ahead and start kind of on the right side of where we're gonna draw. I'm gonna draw a slight curved line. This is the top of the head. And then let's draw triangular ears. This one's gonna be a curve going out and a little bit smaller just because it's a little further away. Now let's go ahead and make a really simple little snout that just kind of curves around. We're gonna do a nose. Really gonna add a whole lot of detail. I am gonna make the eyes on this Chihuahua kind of big because they just kind of have big eyes. Maybe I'll do a little line there. I don't know what this dog thinks about being a shark. I know I think it's adorable, but I don't know what he thinks about it. Okay, we're gonna draw a curved line that goes down. This is the mouth of our shark. And let's go ahead and just draw some pointy triangles that are on the inside. We're gonna draw a curved line that goes back. And then the shark nose is gonna overlap a little bit behind the ear and go down. And then basically, we're just gonna kind of bring it to a point. Now I am running out of room and I'm just gonna draw kind of like a real simple tail there. A big eye for the shark, and of course a triangle for the dorsal fin. Let's bring a line that goes down. I'm gonna draw again like another fin on the side and then just connect. Let's add a few lines for the gills and then the little doggy's legs. Can't even see them in there, but we're gonna draw a line that goes down, curves forward, and then flat. And then we'll do the same kind of in the back, a little bit more of a curve down. I'll make sure they're lined up about the same. Oh, it looks a little bit thick. So I'm gonna do a little cheating action. And this is gonna be the other leg. There it is. See, we can totally make this work. And I'll do the same on the other side. I'll make it look like this is the other leg here. See, you can always find a way to kind of make it work especially when you can't erase. All right, this little doggy was super cute, super quick, and super easy and fun. All right, y'all, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you tomorrow to draw another one.